sometimes we can get lost in all of our settings, or we lend out our devices to other people, which can cause unexpected results. For the DMX6 DIMM, I found that the easiest solution can be restoring back to defaults. You can do this by powering up your device, waiting for the green COP indicator to flash. You're going to press and hold the function button, and you're going to tap the set ABC button. You'll see all the indicators flash, letting you know that you have restored back to default settings, including changing your ID back to ID 0. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.